Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this cleaning operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps I'm showing you today and apply them for your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser, and in the case of Google Chrome we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course we can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if this list is really long, it will take too much time to do it manually. So simply tap on clear browsing data at the top. And right here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, or 7 days or 4 weeks, up to you. So let's simply tap on the option you'd like to apply and then tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.